Visit Builderman 116. This is the Connect solder I made. Not only that, but it also runs entirely on gears. Nobody achieved this until recently. You had to use balls, rubber bands, or other unnecessary junk to create a Connect repeater. Not this one. So, introducing the first entire gear-based Connect 1-bit adder. We can add 2 modes like 0 or 1. All that is ready now, and here it is. So here's how it works. First you have 2 modes that have value either 0 or 1. Then you have a differential that averages the 2 rotations. Next, you have another differential, except it's really not. It just multiplies the rotation by 2. This is the XOR gate. And then finally, there is a half gear which is not pre-made by Connect. It messes with another gear that only turns after the previous value turns 1 time after it is at 0, which makes it 1. And then stops turning once that value goes back to 0 by turning another time, which creates an AND gate. So basically an XOR gate and an AND gate, which creates my Connect solder. So there you have it. You can also make it yourself using these same mechanics. If you like this creation, please like it and please subscribe to me too. So goodbye for now.